In this video tutorial, I will show you how to restore your data in DMA Softlab Radius Manager from backups. Hello, and welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we learned how we can backup the Radius Manager. We learned two ways to backup. The first one was full backup, and the second one was backup of the database. So in this video, we will go through the process of restoring from the backups, and we will perform both methods, restoring from full backup and restoring from miscall. So first of all, let me show you the already available backup that we took yesterday. You can see full backup in zip extension and database backup in SQL extension. So to perform the restore, we were going to delete a user, and then we will restore it from the backups. I'm going to go under the user section, and I'm going to delete a user. For that, you need to click on the user, and then click on delete user, and then confirm if you really want to delete the user. Once you deleted the user, it won't be showing under the user list, and you can see the user is gone from the list. Okay, so let's start the restore process. For that, you need to log in your Linux box with the root user, and find the backup directory. Under same directory, you need to type this command: miscall uroot proot password, and then database name, and then the SQL file name with the extension. Make sure you put in the database name correctly, otherwise it will create another database that can mess up Radius Manager. So after you hit enter to this command, there should be no error. If there is no error, that means backup was restored perfectly. Now you can see the user we deleted is back. Okay. So now we are going to perform the full backup restore. As I told you in full backup, your HTML files are included as well. So now I am going to show you an invoice of a user. So let's go to list invoices and find the invoices. Let's update the dates to get some invoices. Now you see, I am able to get the invoices. I am going to click on the invoice of user John, and then under invoice data, I want to print the invoice of John. As I click on the print invoice, it is gonna open another page where I can see and print the invoice. You can see I updated the style and logo of the invoice as per my requirement. So that is something that you create in HTML. So in case if I delete that HTML file, then I won't be able to see the invoices in the template that I created. So for the testing purpose, I am going to delete the template life. So once the files are deleted, I won't be able to see the invoice. That is the point where backups work. So if we have even one full backup, we would be able to restore the invoice file from full backup, and then we can restore it to get our Radius Manager running perfectly fine. So let's perform the full backup restore. So in this scenario, we just need one file. Okay. I am going to unzip the zip file, what we created in our last video for full backup. Under full backup, if you remember, we backed up multiple folders. The unzip process can take a few seconds or a couple of minutes, depending on the file size of the full backup. Once the process is completed, you should be able to see the directories. As I can see all the directories, let's go to the var directory, and then www, and then Radius Manager, and then the lang folder. Then we are going to the folder called English, and under English, there is a folder invoice. That's where we needed to go and get the missing files. So here we have the file. Let's copy this file to the location where the required file is missing. You can pause the video to write down the commands. btw. This is just a simple copy command from Linux. Comment below if you want me to make a video on Linux as well. Alright, after copying the file, I am gonna go back to the Radius Manager page, and I will click on the print invoice again. As we saw, our restore process was simple and easy to understand, and it was performed perfectly fine. So we should be able to see the invoice. Now you can see I'm able to get the invoice for printing. I hope you guys understood the process of restoring from miscall and full backup as well. But still, if you have any questions, the comment box is always open for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you felt this video was informative for you, then you need to click on the like button to appreciate my efforts. Also, if you are not the subscriber, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. so you never miss out any of our upcoming interesting videos. I will see you in the next video.